Assalamu alaikum. Today I wanted to introduce EKEN H9R action camera by unboxing and test review. So why you need action camera? Because it's really perfect while you are traveling, like surfing, snorkeling, biking, and you don't need to worry about carrying the camera or focusing every time. Just mount it in your bike, helmet, car, and forget about the camera. You can record all your actions. This camera is really a very good value for money. It will cost you only 4000 BDT. I wanted to thanks Evaly because I got 50% discount. So it cost only 2000 through Evaly discount. And the product is delivered by New Camera World of Boshundara City. If you wanted to buy the next options like GoPro, it will cost you more than 20,000 and more for other options. So it's really a good options to try out. Let's go to the quick unboxing and a short review. Please stay with me. This is the action camera. You need to press the button in the front to start the camera. The operating is very simple. You need to wear the remote like a watch, and what you need to do, just you need to press the gray button to start recording, and while you want to stop the recording, then just press again. Then video recording stopped. And if you wanted to capture any still photo, press the red button. Image is taken. If you wanted to use the camera under the water, you can use it till 30 meters. And then you need to use this waterproof housing. Just insert this here. Done. You're ready to go. In my last bike tour, I used this action camera in my bike's handlebar. Here is the test review. Please watch it.